Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the repo and creating the board. This gets issues and pull requests flowing into one place. Once created, choose the beta project for flexible fields or classic for simple Kanban. Make sure to name it clearly. Add a short description and set visibility to private or public depending on stakeholders. Then link repositories and enable automated issue linking so cards can sync with issue status. This first sequence sets the structure you'll build on. Now you structure how work flows through the board. Create columns that match your process and add custom fields for priority or effort. Once done, apply labels and card templates so every new item has required context. This reduces back and forth. Make sure to set automations. Move cards when a PR opens, transition to review on push, or close when an issue resolves, so the board updates without manual effort. These middle steps keep the team aligned and reduce overhead. Finish by managing and reviewing the board regularly. You should create saved views and filters to focus on sprint items, then run a weekly sweep to update statuses and archive stale cards. Once done, use the board's insights and activity log to evaluate cycle time and bottlenecks. This informs your next iteration. If something goes wrong, cards not syncing or automations failing, double-check repository links, user permissions, and the automation rule order to quickly restore correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.